Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the phone so adjustments matter. First, update iOS to the latest release. This fixes audio bugs. Remove any case or screen protector that blocks the receiver and check the speaker and microphone for lint. Now make the first actionable adjustment. Start a call and press the physical volume buttons or swipe into Control Center and drag volume up. Doing this during a live call changes call stream volume, not just ringtone level, so you hear the real effect immediately. Once done with initial boosts, focus on detailed in-call settings. While on a call, press volume buttons to fine-tune the call audio. That directly controls the earpiece output. Make sure no Bluetooth headset is connected, because audio may be routed to a quieter accessory. Disconnect from Control Center if needed. Try speakerphone to determine whether the earpiece or speaker is the problem. Then go to Settings, Accessibility Audio/Visual, and toggle Phone Noise Cancel. To finish, restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches and test call volume again. If third-party apps might interfere, disable or remove them and retest. As a more persistent fix, reset all settings in Settings General Reset. This restores audio defaults without erasing data. If volume still seems abnormally low, carefully clean the speaker grills with a soft brush, test with a headset, and if problems persist, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider because the issue may be hardware related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.